After over the prize distributions for the LP NME students, now it is the turns to distributing the prize of our high schools students. So here I would like to tell you and introduce you to our Basingkrong High School HM sir, and along with our Tamang sir and Miss Jasmita. So here is Sermili Timungpi, who get the last prize, and this prize is given by Miss Jasmita. And now I am going to announce the second prize, whose name is Longkiri Rohon, and this prize is given by Tamang sir. And now I'm going to the most important prize, we call the first prize. It goes to Minuti BP, and this prize is given by our high school HM sir. So now I would like to call class 10 students who got their prize for today arts competitions. So here is Robinson Terang, who got the third prize, and this prize is given by Miss Jasmita. And the second prize goes to Robina Teron P, and this prize is given by Tamang sir. And the last valuables and the greatest, also we call the first prize, goes to Jinong Timu. Are there Jinong Timung? So some students are said that there is no presence Jinong Timungs. He was absent, means he has gone to their home. So anybody who have to known him, please come to take his prize. So this is the today prize distributions occasions. Thank you.